Welcome to 2022, everybody. Cranking. We're like 10 more digits away from when we started, which was 2007. The first video came out in 2008, and now it's 2022. It's
10
crazy,
more digits?
man.
I thought it was 14 more digits.
No, like it's an extra, like you know how you've got like a 1 and then a 10, it's like 2 digits, and it's like,
yes.
Do you know what I mean? Like it's an extra 10.
Yeah.
Like we're not just in the 08s
Except
or the
it's 14.
19s or the 18s or the 17s, it's in the 2s. Think about that for a minute, people.
Today
Wrap your brain around that.
is the 10th of January in Australia. If you're somewhere else in the world, it's only the 8th. But here, it's the 10th. And it was 14 years ago today that we uploaded our very first video. So Martin, let's get the formal proceedings done first, and crack the thing. Happy birthday, Mighty Carmods. I was going to say, I can't believe that we're still here after 14 years, but I actually can believe it because I never thought that it would be a thing that either lasted or didn't last. It was just a thing we did.
There was never anything about an arc with a start and a stop, because even the start wasn't like a formulated, like, we should start a thing. It was just like, we film a thing. Oh, there's that website called YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And stick some stuff up. So now the question is, like, what do we do? Well, normally we kind of finish the season with something epic, and we just did, which is Key to the Sea, which is our mad adventure with the Turbo K truck and the big block Jimny. And then normally we kind of have a few weeks off in January, and then we kick back with some kind of season premiere, something kind of big. But this year, there is a big thing coming.
There is a big thing coming.
But the big thing can't come first, because we've got to show you the things that are going to be in the big things, which is some new project cars.
People would call this Roots, wouldn't they? They call it Roots.
As in Sepultura's song Roots?
No, as in the roots of your tree.
Oh, right.
You know what I mean? Like you're going back to those.
I was going to say Merry
Christmas. Going back to some roots. There's some Bellissimo nuggetry, which is, you've probably worked out, is a personal favourite of ours. Some Bellissimo nuggetry is coming your way.
Well, we thought today is the birthday of Mighty Carmods, 14 years of putting videos on YouTube. So how do we kick off the season that is about to be hitting your eyeballs soon? Well, we hit it off, Martin, by introducing a couple of vehicles that are very much reminiscent of how the show started.
Absolutely.
I mean, I don't want to give too much away, Martin.
No, people know.
But do they
know? No, they might.
If they go back and watch the very first episode, I mean, we're talking...
a hint. That would be a hint.
We're talking two-door.
Two doors.
We're talking naturally aspirated.
We're talking reasonably slow.
Cheap as shit. Anyway, we got some really cool stuff coming, so we're going to be introducing a couple of cars and then taking you on an epic journey. So you're going to see like 3 or 4 episodes of these new cars, and then the season finale, that's actually the premiere of the new season, which is these cars doing their thing. Let's just lose the idea of it being a season thing.
If you're into the whole YouTuber sphere, which we sort of are, and also
we try and dance around it,
whatever, the YouTuber sphere, is that January's there's nothing to watch, right? You know, like, because people go, oh, I'm not going to upload anything in January. Some people are having holidays, good on them, they get some time off and they you know, have a nice time. Some people are just like, I don't want to upload in January because I make no money, and get all funny about it. That's not happening. We're going to stick stuff up through January. We put a bit of extra work at the end of last year so we could have some mad stuff to throw your way to keep you cranking through either summer or winter.
We don't know when, but probably by the mid to later part of January, stuff's going to be hitting your eyeballs. So anyway, thank you very much for everybody who's supported the show. I always say a massive thank you to the first 312 people that watched our very first episode, How to Pimp Your Car for $500. But also, the show has obviously grown in its scope and its dream and what it is that Marty and I want to achieve. And so for that, we want to say a massive thank you to anybody that's bought anything from the Mighty Car Mod shop, because we try and make a point of saying is like, we don't have an external company that is kind of running all that merch. Like, that stuff is all run ourselves with our mates. It's all packed from here and then sent around the world. It's not like a thing where somebody else is just managing it and sticking our logo. It is literally done DIY like the show is. And I also want to say a massive thank you to any sponsors of the show that have been around for all these years. And you'll be able to see who they are if you go to mightycarmods.com and you go to the About Us page. The sponsors are all there. And if you have an opportunity to support any of them, please do, because we obviously have we've got a long relationship with them. And the fact that they went, oh, you guys blow up cars and you do weird things to them, and we're going to try and help you fund that is actually really amazing. So thank you to them, and if you get a chance to support them, please do.
So what can you expect to see in the coming year? Well, we don't exactly know yet because we kind of make this stuff up as we go, which is what keeps it fresh and fun for us. But you are going to see some nuggets. We are going to finish off some of the bigger projects that we've had sort of hanging around and slowly improving on. We are going to get them done, get them driving, and hopefully take them on a few adventures. Now that the world has sort of opened up a little bit more, we can do that because last year we really couldn't.
There's new projects, some new ones coming in. There's going to be a couple of brand new vehicles arriving, which is pretty exciting. There's going to be some motorbike stuff. There's going to be some, I think in America they call them like a barn find restoration kind of a thing. Like there's going to be cars that are being transformed to a kind of level that we haven't done before. And to do that, we've got some really, really big news. A few people train spotted last year. They were like, why was the fuel cap missing from the 240Z, and why was the air filter cover missing from the Postie bike? And so we've got some really big news that I guess has been 14 years in the making.
Stuff that's been sort of underway, and a lot of these cars are also talking about is stuff that's sort of organised, but it hasn't actually happened yet. We're not sitting on these videos sort of going, no, we'll bring that out in September and planning it out. We got no idea at all. But we're going to make it, and we're going to show you guys, bring you guys along for the ride, which is kind of how it's always been.
Yes. So there it is. Thank you very much. Happy birthday to Mighty Car Mods. Martin, happy birthday to you. Good on you for just being you.
And you, mate.
That's it. We did
awesome.
Thing. We uploaded a video, and here we are. And now all these people get to come along for the ride. So thank you very much.
There's no one here. I just want to show that there's it's not like there's a crowd of other people standing around going, be nice to him, and then say that he's
hey guys,
a good guy.
Can we do another take, please, guys? No. We want to wind up the music and try and make it a bit more emotional.
And can you pretend you like that guy?
The crew can come out now.
Can you pretend you like him before you go back to your trailer? And that's not really that's not a thing.
Look, it's pretty lo-fi, but I'm enjoying it. But what I can say is that this year of Mighty Car Mods is
now camera guy's got to just go check that it's in focus.
There's some news that Marty and I have been working on for probably a year, which is why these little parts of cars have been missing. I'm really, really excited about it because it's been, I honestly think it's been 14 years in the making. It's been absolutely huge, and we can't wait to bring you along. And
not even a hint.
No, not even a hint. Right. Except they'll be. I mean, in the next, it's coming soon. It's coming soon. All right, there it is, everybody. Stay safe. Stay as safe as you can. Drop into a mate. Say good day. And there it is. Thank you for watching Mighty Car Mods.
Look after yourself.
2022 is going to be epic.
Hey, what'd you think of that, director guy? You cool with it?
Yeah. Guys, can we just do one more take?
One more take, please, guys.
Why is he American?
I don't know.
Why is he? Can he be from the UK? Hey, guys, that was shy.
Street level.
We need another one.
Do it again.
Street
you
level.
Suck, mate. Isn't it?
Absolute shy.
Oh, where's my ginger beer? That was bloody good.
Have a ginger beer, actually.
Oh, one of us. We should get the camera guy to go and press stop on this thing. Is that?